Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This challenge is Sometimes You Feel Like a Nut, Summertime Challenge, where I'm making 3 easy to make peanut butter recipes. The host of this challenge is Clara and Mrs. Ashish. Please check out the playlist in the description box for their channels. And please like, share, and subscribe and watch our videos all the way through to help us grow. Okay, well, you can either buy 1 very large whipped cream or 2 small. I just so happen to have 2 small. So I'm going to start by adding 1 small container of whipped cream in my bowl. Or if you have the large one, it's half of a large container. Either way. Take your graham cracker crust, add your filling in, kind of spread it around as you go. I know you can easily buy just a graham cracker pie shell. Okay, now add your whipped topping, and you can garnish this with, I have done, and it's really good, a grated Butterfinger or chocolate curls to make it look pretty if you like. I'm not, this is just going on a camping trip in the cooler, and I'll be lucky if it survives. But when you buy your graham cracker or make sure you have a top. It's easier to store in the refrigerator that way. Or in my case, the cooler, since this is going on our camping trip. This is a quick, easy dessert for the holidays, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving. And it is really good. It's one of my favorite pies. And it's so super simple. You can't get easier than this. And then I just put the top on. But like I said, you can garnish this with a Butterfinger or chocolate curls to make it pretty if you're having it for a party. Hope you enjoy my peanut butter dessert. One package of graham crackers. 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then give it a nice stir. Then add this to our baking sheet. Let me see. Hold on. Change of plans. Add 1 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And then I have to melt the butter in the microwave, so I'll be back. 1 cup of butter I have to melt in the microwave. Okay, that was 1.5 cups of peanut butter and 1 cup of melted butter. And then we'll mix this up and we'll be back. Our melted chocolate. Stir it up and make sure it's smooth. And pour it over the top. And then smooth it out. Okay, we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of butter. And then we're going to add, we measured out 3 cups of Rice Krispies. And we're going to add to that, to this bowl, 1/4 cup of butter. One and a half cup of chocolate chips. One cup of maple syrup, a half a cup of maple syrup. Okay, we're going to add a cup of peanut butter. And then I'm going to stir this a little bit, and I'm going to put this in the microwave until it's all melted. Okay, here is our mixture that's already been melted. It's got some lumps in it, but I used crunchy peanut butter. 3 cups of Rice Krispies going in. Stir this around. You can also do this on top of the stove if you don't want a microwave, or if you don't have a microwave. I'm going to stir this up good. Get it completely coated. And then this is just a sprayed pan. Just take this and push that out in the pan. Then I normally refrigerate it to let it harden up. And this is like your, what do they call them? Star Little Debbie treats. This is the same thing, only it's square. I'm sure if you want to make them round, you could just do these like you do your no-bake cookies, but it's not that important, so I can just cut them out and they can be bars.